my channel. I am Shreya and in today's video I'm gonna do a purple.com haul. So basically it's gonna be a miscellaneous haul. You'll have makeup, skincare, hair care, but all of these products are new launches from purple.com. So they have a blend of different brands and the brands collectively have makeup, skincare, hair care, everything. So here I have a huge box from Purple. Like, look at this. So I have mix of all the products. I have makeup, hair care and skincare in this video, and all of them are very affordable. So let's just start with the haul video. Again, almost forgot, but the links will be in the description box, and also you can use my discount codes for different products. So you'll get 20-25% discount as mentioned in the description box. And yeah, I'm not gonna get anything out of that. It's just a discount code for you guys. Let's start with makeup first. So the first product which I have is from Stay Quirky. So Stay Quirky is a makeup brand, and they also have started few skincare products like cleansers and balms. So the product which I have today is a blush. So this is a new launch. The shade which I have is Peach Lady. So look at the packaging, you guys. It's like really colorful, and in the I'm just gonna show you the shade. So this is how the shade looks like. Like, look at this. It's such a pretty pink shade. Also, it's quite blendable and affordable at the same time. It's just for 270 rupees. So you can definitely go and check it out. It's a great deal. So yeah, link will be in the description. Also, I have another variant in the blush which is a different shade. So it's the same blush from Stay Quirky as I showed you the first one. So the shade which I have for this one is Pink Diva. Okay, so this shade is known as Pink Diva, and I'm just gonna show you how it looks like. Look at this. It's a pretty pink color. The earlier one was light peach in shade, and this one is like the perfect pink. So you can definitely use this for any kind of look. It's just gonna look so good. Also the price is same one. It's quite pigmented, you guys. Moving on to the next product. The next product which I have is from purple.com. So Purple itself has a brand, so they also produce makeup products. So I have a lipstick from there which is their primer plus matte lipstick. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's in a cardboard box, and also the price of this one is 399 rupees, which is again affordable one for lipstick. So this is how their new packaging looks like. It's really luxurious, and also this comes with a magnet, so just have a look. It's very convenient, and also it's very travel friendly. So the shade which I have looks something like this. Hope you are able to see. Yeah, so this is how the shade looks like. So this shade is known as Love and Chill. So that was the first shade which I have. I also have another shade from them in the same range. So it's called the primer and matte lipstick. So the next shade which I have is known as Proposal. So this, oh my god, look at this shade. It's red, like it's legit red. This is how the shade looks like. It's such a pretty red, bold red color, and it's like pure red. It's not rusty or you know, towards the browner side. It's pure legit red. So yeah, that's the another shade. It's known as Proposal. Links in the description box. Have you noticed the name? Like Stay Quirky is a brand which has similar quirky names. Purple also has come up with such quirky names. Okay, you guys, now let's move on with the next brand. So the next brand which I have is NY Bae. So I have this eyeshadow singles from NY Bae. So NY Bae is again a brand which produces very affordable makeup. Also the quality of makeup is really good. I remember 2 years back I purchased a lipstick from them which I have still now, and it's really good. Okay, so this eyeshadow single which I have is in the shade Midtown 24, and this retails for only 125 rupees, which is very affordable for an eyeshadow. Like if you are a beginner who's just starting off makeup, I would request you to go for this eyeshadow singles, because you won't be needing more of the colors, and plus you get the single which are very affordable. Now I'll just show you the shade. Look at this. Look at this beautiful shade. And also it's quite pigmented. Like I'll just show you. Look at this. Again, I have another shade in the NY Bae eyeshadow single. So this shade is known as Carnage Hall, and the code is 23. So I'm just gonna show you how beautiful the color is. They have launched really good colors. Like look at this. So this has a part of shimmer in it, and it's really good. if you invest in this one, like it's just for 125 rupees. If you're college going or office going and you just need 1 or 2 colors which would, you know, used every day, then I'd suggest you to go for this 2 colors. This can be used for any look, any look. So the earlier one was a matte, this one is a shimmer, and you are sorted. You just need these 2 shades and you can create tons of eye look. So now let's come back to Stay Quirky. So I have lipsticks from Stay Quirky, which is the creamy matte collection with a badass upgrade. So Stay Quirky has really badass names, and the shade which I have is Taste My Soul 35. So this is how the packaging looks like. Again, colorful and beautiful. This retails for 275 rupees, which is very affordable. Look at the packaging, you guys. Look at this packaging. It's in the red color and you can just see. I'm gonna show you the shade. It's a purple shade. Like, I have never seen this shade in any lipstick. Look at the shade, man. It's pure purple. So yeah, this is a really unique shade, and Stay Quirky always comes up with this kind of shades, like the shades which you usually don't find in other brands. You'll easily find them here. So now the next shade from the same range, which is from the creamy matte from Stay Quirky. I have another shade from them. So this shade is known as Try Here, Wet You Know Where. Such a badass name. Shade 71. So I'm just gonna show you how that looks like. So again, the packaging is same, like you can just see. Look at this color. It's a very dark brownish maroon kind of color. Like, this can complement dark skin tone really well, and also for the fair. Like, it's a universal color, and for Indian skin tone this will suit any type of skin tone. So yeah, that was about this one. Again, don't forget to check the links in the description box. Okay, so now let's have few skincare products. So I have this Good Vibes Sandalwood and Rosewood Hydrating Purifying Toner. So this is how it actually looks like. Now I'm just gonna show you. Good Vibes skincare is really good, suits all skin type. This is 120 ml and it's a toner. It's used for, you know, unclogging your pores, and also it's gonna minimize it, really hydrates you. I love toners. I already have a rose toner, green tea toner from them, and this is the another one. So this one is from the Good Vibes Plus range, so definitely give it a try. It's really good quality. Like, I just love this toners a lot. Now let's move on to the another skincare. So the another skincare which I have is from Alps Goodness. So this one is a serum. It's the Skin Glow serum in the variant Saffron. So I love serums. You already know I have tons of serum, you guys, but I never had a saffron serum. So I'm just opening this because I have not yet tried this one. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you how it looks like. Also, this one comes with a dropper right here, and this is how the serum looks like you can just see. Next product which I have is a sheet mask from Purple. It's the Keep Calm and Exfoliate Charcoal Sheet Mask with Apricot Extract, and this retails for just 99 rupees. Now if you know me, you know how much I love sheet mask, that you can never have enough of sheet mask. Now let's move on to the next product, which is again from Stay Quirky. It's the lipstick crayons, and I'm in the shade Honeymoon 5. Now again, the names are as quirky, so why isn't this opening? So this is how the packaging looks like. You have all the details written here, and look at the shade. It's a very nice plum peach shade, and I love this shade much, guys. So you guys, these are just for 259 rupees. The second shade which I have is known as Wedding Night shade number 1. So this is how the shade looks like. It's a pretty plum shade, and I love this kind of shades. It's really good. So that was about the lipstick pencils. So the next product which I have is also from Stay Quirky. It's the eye pencil, and I'm in the shade Love Me Wood. So this is how the eye pencil looks like. It's a pretty grey shade, and you can just create a good smoky eye with this one, and this one retails for just 155 rupees. So now the next product which I have is eyeshadow pencils from Stay Quirky. Retails for 235, and the first shade which I have is At the Party 1. So this is how the shade looks like. It's a very pretty metallic green shade, and these are so cute and small. Love it. And the second shade which I have in this one is known as At the Movie, and it's a very bluish kind of color. It's really sort of pastel, and it's a very unique color. I'm just gonna use this one in one of my upcoming looks. So yeah, actually everything, I'm gonna use everything in my upcoming looks, so stay tuned. Then I have this product from Good Vibes. It's the apple cider vinegar smoothing hair mist, and it has no paraben, no quite a great deal. I have not yet used this one, so I don't know how it will be, but I definitely update you guys. The next one which I have is this Good Vibes banana hair mask. This retails for 499 rupees, and same is the thing with this one. I have not yet opened this one, so actually don't know how it's gonna work. Next product I have is from Good Vibes. It's their Cherry Blossom Moisturizer. Now this retails for 225 rupees. I have not actually used this one also because I have recently received the product, so half of them I have not used. So this looks quite good, so I'm definitely going to use this. I've got this purple banana powder and bronzer. So banana powder is the one used for baking, and this one is really good quality. I actually used it today, and this is a bronzer. It's kind of 2-in-1 bronzer. So apart from this thing, I also had one face wash from them, which I am not able to find right now, so I'll just include it in my vlogs or somewhere, and I'll let you guys know about it. So that was all about my huge purple haul. I hope you guys would have loved it.